Hi friends, welcome back. All right, here is our practice. So we're going to take a look at some angles and define different types of angles. If we look up here at the vocabulary box, we're going to be looking for three types of angles: acute angles, right angles, and obtuse angles. So each one of these here is acute, right, and obtuse. Angles can be many different sizes. When they are a right angle, like this middle picture, it forms a perfect L or a perfect T. And I'm new to this, so you will often notice a little box in the corner showing that it makes a perfect square or a perfect L or a perfect T. So you can always spot a right angle because it will have that little square in the corner. Later on in the extensions, you can go around your house and look for as many right angles as you can. They're all over the place. So you're going to be able to tell whether an angle is acute or obtuse by comparing it to a right angle. So here is the right angle. Now notice that this ray right here and this ray right here, they're pretty far apart. And it also makes that perfect, if I could just learn how to use this a little better, that perfect L right here. All right, so when we're measuring an angle and we're trying to look at the difference in the angles that we're looking at, we're measuring from one ray to the other. So we want to know the distance in degrees from one ray to the other. So here we're looking at measuring this right here. And if this was a right angle, it would make one of these rays would come off to be a perfect L. It's not. It's less. It's closed more than it is if it was a right angle. So when it's closed or not quite a right angle, we call that acute. Oh, this is bad. I'm not going to use this. So this one is acute. And I know in third grade, your teachers taught you that little angles are really cute. So these are acute. If they're closed together like this one is, it is acute. Measures less than 90 degrees. Now, just like acute is less than 90 degrees, obtuse is more than 90 degrees. So let's take a look at this one. This one measures from here to here. It's much wider than the 90-degree right angle. And those are called obtuse. So more than 90 degrees, wide open, obtuse. Less than 90 degrees, the ends are closer together, not making a perfect L right angle. If it's closed more than 90 degrees, so I should say closed less than 90 degrees, then it is acute. All of these, this angle, this angle, this angle, these are all measuring less than 90 degrees. So remember, when we talk about measuring them, we're talking about the number of degrees, and this will make sense in a couple lessons. There are in between the two different rays, okay? So how are all these acute angles alike? They're all less than 90 degrees. Hopefully you were able to fill that in. All right, how is an acute angle different from a right angle? They are less than 90 degrees. All right, I'm running out of time on my video, so you're going to have to click on the next one to continue. I think we can probably do this one. How is an acute angle different from a right angle? Again, it is less than 90 degrees. The rays are closer together. And I'm going to end it there, and I'll pick up in the next video with number 7.